The original Nessie ladle by Ototo. Soup ladle stands out as a unique and whimsical addition to any kitchen. Crafted in a charming turquoise blue color, this ladle brings a touch of fun to your cooking routine. Made from high-quality plastic by the renowned brand Ototo, it combines durability with style. With its playful design inspired by the legendary Loch Ness Monster, the Nessie ladle adds a delightful flair to your soup-serving experience. The dimensions of 9.65 inches in length and 3.54 inches in width make it comfortable to use while ensuring it can easily handle various quantities of soup, sauces, or stews. Not only is the Nessie ladle a functional kitchen tool, but it also makes for a great conversation piece when entertaining guests. Its unique design makes it suitable for individuals of all ages, from kids to adults, bringing joy and charm to mealtimes. Overall, the original Nessie ladle by Ototo is a well-crafted and fun soup ladle.
The Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Bags. By Food Saver offer exceptional quality and performance for storing food items effectively. With product dimensions of 8.63 into 7.63 into 2.63 inches and weighing only 8 ounces, these bags are designed to provide convenience without compromising on durability. Manufactured in the USA by Food Saver, these bags come with an ASIN of B001U0274Q and an item model number FSSSBF05340000, ensuring traceability and authenticity. With a stellar customer review rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 14,190 reviews, it's evident that these bags are well received by users worldwide. The best sellers rank of #958 in kitchen and dining, #10 in vacuum sealer bags, and #63 in small appliance parts and accessories demonstrates the popularity and reliability of Food Saver vacuum sealer bags in the market. Moreover, the fact that the product is not discontinued since its first availability on February 25, 2009, speaks to its continued relevance and effectiveness.
The Cotton Candy Express. CC1000S Cotton Candy Machine by Cotton Candy Express is a delightful addition for anyone who enjoys creating the sugary fun of cotton candy at home or special events. This compact yet efficient machine brings the excitement of the carnival right to your kitchen. Weighing in at 11 ounces, the CC1000S is lightweight and easy to move around, making it perfect for parties and gatherings. The 57-piece set provides everything you need to get started, giving you a comprehensive kit for making fluffy, delicious cotton candy.
The Gatorade GX bottle is a top-quality product brought to you by the renowned brand Gatorade. Crafted from durable plastic, this squeeze bottle is designed to withstand daily use and is a reliable companion for your hydration needs. The sleek black color gives it a sophisticated look, making it suitable for various settings. With a generous capacity of 1.9 pounds, you can conveniently carry an ample amount of your favorite beverage to stay refreshed throughout the day. Whether you are an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone on the go, the Gatorade GX bottle is a dependable choice to help you stay hydrated with ease and style.
The Budoo Electric Lunchbox. 80W food heater for adults is a practical and convenient solution for individuals looking to enjoy warm meals at the office or while traveling. This electric lunchbox, designed in an attractive green color and made from durable stainless steel by the trusted brand Budoo, is specifically tailored for adult users. One notable feature of this lunchbox is its manual function, allowing users to have control over the heating process and ensuring that their food is heated to the desired temperature. With a capacity of 1.5 liters, it offers ample space to accommodate a satisfying meal while on the go. The theme of this product, designed with a car theme in mind, makes it suitable for individuals who frequently travel or commute by car. The distinctive Budoo pattern adds a touch of style to the overall design, making it a practical,